Hey guys, this is Brian with Heritage House. As you can see, we're taking apart the kitchen. We found a lot of old work and water damage, and that's what I'm doing now. As you see at the beginning of the film, what it looked like before I took the cabinet out. And under here where the dishwasher is, I've got to replace the whole floor. As you can see, they had the old 2-wire is all frayed up. They had it on the same circuit with the washing machine. It's supposed to be a home run, but that was old code, and it's going to be brought back up to code. But everything here is all rotten dry, right? You see the big holes in the floor. I'm going to have to cut all this out and replace it with new wood. Then I'm going to put an outlet box right here for the new dishwasher. Once we put in the new cabinets, we'll have a new dishwasher and everything. But that's what happens when you have an old house and has years of neglect, or it was probably a water leak inside the wall that nobody knew about, and once they did, it was too late. And these cabinets were built in 1961. The house was built in 1920. So this is what you get, and we'll see you next time. Bye.